Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 3, projection of planes. First, read the problem statement. A pentagon plate of side 50 mm is resting on one of its edges in the HP. With that edge making an angle 50 degree to VP. The plane is inclined 30 degree to HP. Draw the projection of plane by using first angle method. Okay. Object is pentagonal plate. Okay. It is resting on HP, okay, on the edge, okay. So what you have to do, you have to draw the true shape, okay, below the reference line, okay. So go to the polygon, go to the draw toolbar, select polygon, okay, enter number of sides, 5, enter, okay, select edge option in the command line. Okay, always you have to select this edge option, select edge, again single left click on the screen, just drag the mouse. Okay, this is resting condition on the edge. This is resting condition. Okay, on the corner. Okay, this is resting condition parallel to the VP. Okay, so it is resting on the edge. Okay, then enter the dimension. Okay, side edge dimension is 50. 50, enter. Now change the color code property. Take a green. Okay. Now next is what you have to draw vertical projection lines. Okay. Before that, give the notations to the object. Okay. Control C, Control V. Okay. Okay. Now draw the projection lines up to the reference line from the all points. Okay. Now you will get this front view of the object. Okay. Again join the points A dash to E dash. Okay. Give the notations. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now I want to mark point on this true length. Okay. I want to mark C dash comma E dash. Okay. So what you have to do, in a command line type P type. Okay, just type P type, select point style. Okay, okay, point style should be 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, so I am selecting 3. Okay, again, always you have to select the option set size in absolute units. Okay, mark OK. Then again go to the point, go to the dot over, select point. Okay, I want point mark on this C dash, E dash point and D dash. Okay, again press escape. Now again go to the master diagram. My object is resting on HP. So I'm going to use logic HP, HP, VP. Okay. So this is your true shape, this is your true length. For third object, we are doing surface inclination. Surface inclination angle, you have to take theta. For third object, copy, paste, rotate second object with HP. Now again go to the solution. So select the second object, right click, copy selection, select the base point, just drag the mouse, again do the left click and press escape. Okay. This is my true shape and this is my true length. Okay. Now again select the object, right click, rotate, again select the base point. Okay, inclination angle is HP is 30 degree, 30, enter. Okay. Now For fourth object, again go to the master diagram. For fourth object, draw vertical projection lines from third object and horizontal projection line for first object. Again, draw the vertical projection lines from the A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash, D dash, and horizontal projection lines from A, B, C, D, and E point. So draw the vertical line from A dash, okay, and horizontal projection line from A. Now I got this point A. So Control C, Control V. Now from the point of B dash, you have to draw vertical line from the point of B dash and horizontal projection line from the point of B. Okay, now I got the point of B. Again, copy this point B, Control C, Control V. Now I want to draw horizontal projection, vertical projection line from point C dash and horizontal projection from point C. Now I got point this C. Again, Control C, Control V. Again, E point is again E dash point is also on the same C dash point. So again draw the horizontal projection line from the point of E dash. Okay. Now this is my point E. What you have to do? You have to match the points from C dash to C. Okay, E dash to E. Okay. Now from the D dash point, again you have to draw vertical projection lines, and from the point D, horizontal projection line. Horizontal projection line. Okay. Now I got this D point. Again, Control C, Control V. So what is next? You have to join all the points starting from the A, B, C, D, E, A. Okay. So always follow this master diagram. Okay. For fifth object, we have to copy paste rotate fourth object. Okay. Like okay, copy paste rotate fourth object. What you have to take? You have to take angle with VP. Okay. So copy this fourth object, right click, copy selection from this base point to this base point. Okay. Now I am assuming this AB as a vertical line. Sorry, it is already vertical line. My assumption is that vertical line means 90 degree and horizontal line means 0 degree. Now my object is resting on AB and angle with hip is given 50 degree means 90 minus 50. Okay, it will be 40. So that I am rotating this object clockwise direction. Okay, so first select the object, right click, rotate, select any point on this vertical line, and 90 minus 50, okay, we'll be getting 40. So minus 40. Okay, now what you have to do? Again, you have to draw vertical projection line from this fifth object and horizontal projection from this third object. Okay, go to the master diagram. For sixth object, draw vertical projection lines from fifth object and horizontal projection line from third object. So you'll get the final front view of the object. Okay. So again, use the color code 251. Again, you have to match the point A dash to A, B dash to B. So this is my A point. Again, my A dash point is on the reference line. Okay, this is my, I got this A point. Again, use the notation Control C, Control V. This is my A dash point. Okay. Again, draw the vertical projection line from the point of B and horizontal projection line from the point of B dash. Okay, B dash point also lies on the reference line. So I got this B point, Control C, Control V. This is my B dash point. Now I want to locate C dash point. Okay, draw the vertical line from the C point and horizontal projection line from C dash point. I got this C point, C dash point. Again, Control C, Control V. Okay, this is my point C dash. Okay, next is what? I want to locate D point also, D dash point also. From D point, vertical projection line, and from D, horizontal projection line. Now I got this D point, sorry, D dash point, Control C, Control V. This is my D dash point. Okay, now I want to locate E point. Again, draw the vertical projection line from the E point and horizontal projection lines from the, sorry, it has taken the wrong point. Draw the vertical projection from the E and horizontal projection from the E dash point. Okay. Now this is my point E. Okay. If you want to view the point mark, you can mark the point. Okay. This is my point E. This is my point D. This is my point C. This is my point A. This is my point B dash. Again, join the points. Join all the points A dash to E dash. Okay. Take a color code green. Take a line A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. Okay. In this way, you have to draw the objects. Okay. Give the angular dimensions to the object. First click, second click. Again, first click, second click. Okay. If you want to change the color code, you can change from the properties toolbar. Okay. This is the complete solution of question number 3, projection of plane. Thanks.